Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Godrej Prakriti on Barakpur Trunk Road near Dunlop and just beside Shodhpur crossing, and this is the actual project of Godrej Prakriti. You can see the natural water body just in front of you, and these are the existing towers. So you can also see the internal roads of our project, very neat and clean, well maintained, with every facilities and amenities. This is a township project of approximately 23 acres of land, and you can see this is the broad driveways of Godrej Prakriti. Not only that, these are the tower conditions. All these towers is already sold out, and we are coming up with new towers very soon, yet to be launched. So now come this side. So we are walking alongside this driveway. And you can see the charm of this project. So come again this side. So beautiful wind, charming wind, you can say. And this is the temple inside our project. So, and just you can see this side, these are some other towers also, car parking areas. So you can see the height of these towers, excellently decorated and very well maintained. So let's see, come again. So this project is having every facilities and amenities, including very big clubhouse, and the main USP of this project is that this project is having separate commercial building, which will be having all commercial shops and anchor stores like Big Bazaars and Spencer's. And this project is also having water treatment plant along with this project periphery, and the connectivity is excellent because the Dunlop metro is already operational right now. So it's about 5 to 6 minutes driving distance from our project. And not only that, the Dakshineshwar metro station will be 10 minutes driving distance from our project, and it is well connected via airport, via Jasho Road and Kalyani Expressway, and also connected towards the Howrah region through the Bali Bridge, which is Belghoria Expressway. So hope you like this video. If you are interested about this property, then please call us for early offers, and we are going to launch our new towers very soon. So if you are interested, then please put on your interest. So if you have any queries, you feel free to ask. So we are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.